Hello friends, today's topic 10 years as Prime Minister, see total assets of Prime Minister Modi. I am Dr. Bharath. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. Yesterday, PM Narendra Modi filed his nomination for elections. On the Election Commission website, a list of these assets and liabilities have been uploaded. As per the request of many channel members, we are sharing his income and assets and liabilities details in this video. The following are the details of PM Narendra Modi's assets. Financial year 2018 and 19, total income declared 11,14,320. 2019 and 20, 17,20,760. 20 and 21, 17 lakhs 7,930. 21 and 22, 15 lakhs 41,870. And 22-23, 23 lakhs 56,080. Now the other details: cash in hand 52,920, savings account deposits 80,304, bank FDs 2,85,000, 60,338, national savings certificate NSC 9,12,398, gold jewelry 2,67,750, total assets Modi 2,98,000, 73,710. Now our observations. Number one, PM Modi does not have a own house or any investment in real estate. 2. He also has no investment in stocks and mutual funds. 3. Majority of his assets are in bank deposits and NSC. 4. His sources of income are salary as an MP and bank interest. 5. There are no liabilities. So this was the very simple declaration of PM Modi's income and assets. There is also another interesting declaration of income and assets by Hindi movie actress Kangana Ranaut, who is contesting elections from Himachal Pradesh. The following are the details of Kangana's income. 2018 and 19, 12 crores 9 lakhs 78,840. 2019 and 20, 10 crores 31 lakhs 42,790. 2021, 11 crore 95,000, 39,890. 21 and 22, 12 crore 30 lakhs 92,120. And 2022-23, 4 crores 12 lakhs 95,770. Now Kangana Ranaut's assets. Cash in hand 2 lakhs. Savings account deposits 8 accounts 1 crore 33 lakhs 7,152. Insurance policies 50 policies she is holding, paid up value 3 crore 5 lakhs 96,005. Vehicle 3 cars and 1 scooter 5 crore 48,000 67,772. Gold 6.7 kgs 5 crores. Silver 60 kgs around 50 lakhs. Diamonds around 3 crore. Loans given to various people 8 crore 59 lakhs 66,881. Real estate, commercial and residential 62 crores 92 lakhs 87,000. Total assets approximate 89 crores 92 lakhs 24,710. She has also liabilities such as bank loans due worth around 17 crores. So her net worth is around 73 crores. Observations on Kangana Ranaut's assets. 1. Kangana Ranaut has 50 insurance policies which are too many and unnecessary. Insurance agents might have sold her these policies. 2. She has no investment in stocks and mutual funds. 3. Around 70% of her assets are in real estate. 4. She has multiple sources of income such as business income, rental income and interest income. End of the video. Here is a question. How many insurance policies do you have? Type the number in the comment section below. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.